Hello, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be finishing the dining chair. So, we have all of the parts cut, and everything is done. Now we just need to assemble. So the first step in our assembly is assembling the bottom half of the chair. Now I started from the bottom half, as all of these pieces basically fit together irregardless of the rest of the chair. Everything else can basically slide on later. But these 4 pieces need to be connected at the same time. Otherwise, we end up with squaring issues. I am making sure to wipe off all the glue as I go, because otherwise I would leave glue marks everywhere. Using a square clamp, I can clamp all 4 corners in at the same time. Now I am going to use additional clamps to help keep everything in line and from pulling in at the top. Moving outside so we have a little bit more room, we can briefly take off the clamps and put the stiles on. Once I have these 2 parts prepped, I also need to make sure I have the middle rail ready, because if I don't, I can't put it on later, as it slides in between these 2 parts. Next, I clamp everything, wipe off all the glue, and make sure that everything is still square. After giving those a bit of time to set, I can move on to the sliding dovetails. Now here, I don't need to apply much glue, as the friction fit will be mostly enough to take care of it. I apply enough glue for the backsplat, and can now move on to hammering the headrest. Now I have to hammer both sides equally, otherwise my entire chair would tilt out a square. The main frame assembly is done. The next step is putting the plywood corners in so that we can attach our seat. Each plywood piece has 2 holes pre-drilled through it. I then use those pre-drilled holes to mark where I'm eventually going to be screwing in. I now need to pilot where I mark. Now you might notice that I still have some clamps on the part. Now that's from an earlier attempt where I accidentally made the mistake of not piloting far enough. So when I tried to screw in, the whole plywood piece exploded and tore a chunk out of the chair. Now all that's left is screwing the seat to the plywood pieces, and we're done. Now all that's left is a little bit more sanding and then applying a finish. And then this dining chair will be complete. Only for me to do 4 more. But now that I've got this one done, it's going to be a lot easier. I'd like to see how you guys would approach the dining chair if it was going in your house. So let me know down in the comments below. If you'd like to see more from us, then subscribe. But if you want even more than that, go to our website. There we have all of our training, all of our resources, and in the future, all of our projects. So, I'll see you there.